Okay, gearheads, just finished getting my exhaust put on. Got 3-inch pipe. They did a way better bend on this than I did. Oh. There we go. Get a look at that. Got 3-inch pipe going through. Got my bun. Had to put my bun in right there. I'm going to the other side. Let's see the other side. This is the driver's side, left side. Coming around. Got the tip right there. See that? Come on around to this side. Get my cardboard right. Come on around to this side. And I don't know what brand muffler that is. I think he said like a Mega Flow or something like that, but I don't see Mega Flow on it, so I don't know. But it's free flowing, I know that. And 3-inch pipe all the way through back up to the, what you call it, collectors, I think. I think they 2.5. I went with the 3-inch. Get better breathing out of it. All that good stuff. And of course I gotta do what everybody else do. I gotta let you hear it start up. 'Cause I know people want to hear it start up, so here we go. Got a nice little roar to it. Nothing spectacular. I didn't want nothing real loud. I know, let me get on. I can probably sit in it and give a little gas and let you hear it. Should be able to hear it. So now she sounds like a V8. Of course, that's my gauges just coming up. Everything been doing pretty good. All right, gearheads, to the next mod.